What's up guys, welcome back to my new video, and in today's video I'm going to do the Q&A of the Poco X3 Pro. And yes, I'm going to answer a lot of your questions. Let's get started. First of all, there's a question that is how to be safe from the heartbreak problem which is happening in the Poco X3 Pro. Now this heartbreak problem is actually a very serious problem, and yes, this Poco X3 Pro is one of my favorite devices. It is one of the only device which I use right now, and I do not want this device to get bricked or have any other problem. So how to get rid of that problem? First of all, as I already told you, there is just one way to get rid of that heartbreak problem, and that is to install the MIUI 12.0x firmware. Now that firmware will help to get rid of that problem, and I think that is the safest way as of now. And yes, a lot of people were saying that after unlocking the bootloader, their warranty is present in the smartphone. No, it's not the case. After you have unlocked the bootloader, the warranty is gone. Basically, what you can do is relock the bootloader to gain the warranty of 1 year. Otherwise, there will be no warranty left in the smartphone. So that's the thing. Now let's talk about other things. First of all, let's talk about the best gaming ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. As I told you, I have tried Derfest OS, and you know what, that is one of the best ROMs I have ever tried. It's really smooth, fast and fluid, and on top of that it offers like incredible amount of smoothness. But still there are some ROMs which are better than that, and you know what, lately I have been trying Android 11 ROMs, and every ROM I try, I came back to only one ROM which I love, and that is this one. That is the Pixel Experience Plus Android 11. This is one of the most smoothest, it's like the most stable ROM ever. That's the main reason I don't prefer using any other ROM other than this one. So now let's talk about the battery life of the Poco X3 Pro. It's really awesome. It gives you more than 8 hours of battery backup, and I have been using this smartphone since the day it launched, and I can say confidently it's really awesome. Battery backup is amazing. Now let's talk about the charging speed. Many people have asked, like, after changing the ROM, the charging speed gets either increased or decreased. But to be honest, this is not the case. The charging speed is the same as in MIUI. And that is, in 1 hour, it charges from 0 to 70-80%. And that's pretty fast enough for me. So yeah, the charging speed is also really awesome. Okay, now the point is, let's talk about the cameras. And in the cameras, a lot of questions are asked regarding Gcam. That is Google camera for the Poco X3 Pro. And you know what, I have tried a lot of Gcams, and I can say that the Google camera for Poco X3 Pro, the one which is the most stable one, I have already made a video about it, but there's a problem, that is they have deleted the link, and now a lot of you guys cannot access that video. Now what you can do is, I'm going to make a new video of the best Gcam for the Poco X3 Pro, and in that video I'm going to tell you the best way how you can download the Gcam and use it without any problem. And now how will that happen? That's basically just wait for a few days and I will make a video. By the time, I think my throat will also be really good. So yeah, that wraps up about this video. And yeah, we have talked about warranty, we have talked about bootloader unlocking and delocking, all that stuff. And yes, as I already told you, if you are going to use 12.0x firmware, there's no need to be worry about your smartphone breaking. Like, there's a very less chance compared to using the normal MIUI stock ROM, that is 12.5.5. So that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you guys think of this Q&A? If you love it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have a bad throat, so that's why I'm unable to make long videos. But yeah, I will make a lot of Q&A part 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, so that I can answer all the questions. So if you have any other question, comment down below. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.